Hello and welcome to our channel. It's yet another moment that we bring to you an inspiring video about platforms offering remote jobs worldwide. But before you continue, we kindly request you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, one of the sites we are visiting today is sps.com. When you go to their website, in the home page, you are met by an inspiring quote: the perfect words to celebrate moments, encourage dreams, and connect hearts. In this platform, you will create greeting cards, calendars, gifts, and books for special people in your life. And now that we are nearing Valentine celebration, actually these are the designing of cards and gifts can actually get you quick and running, because these things will be on demand very soon, in very few days. If you want to write for this platform, there are guidelines available for both books and greeting cards. This is a very good site that can actually turn your creativity into a good and stable source of income. Okay, one of the sites we are visiting today is sps.com. When you go to their website, in the home page, you are met by an inspiring quote: the perfect words to celebrate moments, encourage dreams, and connect hearts. In this platform, you will create greeting cards, calendars. You will be counting cash with the supplement that you'll be getting, because remote job, as you are turning it now, it's actually something you can turn to full-time income as you continue perfecting your skill. The next site we are looking at is cracked.com. Cracked.com is a site where you can become a comedy writer for the website. If you have a knack for humor and writing, this is the place to be. You are the doctor the world is waiting for. We all know they say that laughter is the best medicine. With humor-filled creativity, Cracked.com is a site that will give you that passive income you have only been dreaming about and laughing about. If you scroll down the site, you'll find a section of careers. This is the section that you can join the platform to fulfill your dream to work with some of the best comedians in the world. The world of comedy will be at your lap. And remember, you are more lucky because you'll be working remotely and you'll actually even be writing those particular jokes they'll be cracking our ribs using from your own script. Actually, cracked.com is looking for people like you to actually fill the slots that they have in their platform. BetterTesting.com is another platform that you are going to explore today. At Better Testers, you test exciting new products and get paid to give feedback for new apps, websites, and connected products. It is very easy to join BetterTesting.com. Actually, when you check on the requirements for you to join BetterTesting.com, there are very few of them. First of all, you need to create a profile and define your demographics, interests, and devices. You'll be receiving frequent emails to beta tests that match your profile. Tests last anywhere from 30 minutes to over a period of a week. And the health advantage is that you test using the devices that you already own. They won't require you to actually go buying other devices, because when you are creating your profile, you will have indicated the kind of digital devices that you have in your possession. What are the type of products that you'll be testing in betatesting.com? You test all types of products, including apps, websites, and connected hardwares like smart vacuums, TVs, and media devices. You can see how technology is taking us, because now we have smart TV, we have smart refrigerators, we're having smart vacuums and media devices. If you are 18 and above, you are eligible to work in betatesting.com. Betatesting.com is another platform that you are going to explore today. At Beta Testers, you test exciting new products and get paid to give feedback for new. All the platforms that we discuss in our videos, we refer to them as source of passive income, but you can upgrade them to full-time job sites. If you actually master your skills, take them a notch higher and stick to a good routine. This will actually boost your demand for these remote jobs, because you'll be giving good quality for the job that you do and the task that you perform. Thank you for watching. Kindly like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you can be getting notification whenever we upload a new video. Thank you and have a nice time.